Welcome to Jump Math Help. This is grade 5, page 10, T-tables. Number 1, count the number of line segments, lines that join pairs of dots, in each figure. Count around the outside of the figure first, marking the line segments as you go. So in this example, they count around the outside, which they get up to 5 right here. And then they count the two middle ones, so 6 and 7. You can see it's written here. So that shape has 7 line segments. You count the outside and the inside. Let's look at C. So here we go. Count the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the inside 7, 8. Okay, let's move on. 2. Continue the pattern below, then complete the chart. So I've already drawn in the triangles for this for figure 3 and figure 4, but we can see from the pattern that it's adding one triangle each time and that the triangles are not touching each other. So now we count the line segments. So figure 1 is right here. It has 1, 2, 3 line segments. Figure 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line segments. And you'd proceed and you'd start to notice a pattern. 3, 6, and we can predict that next will be 9, and then 12. And then it says, and I'm not going to give this to you, how many line segments would figure 5 have? You need to continue the pattern to figure that out. 3. Continue the pattern below and complete the chart. So this is much like the last one. You need to figure out what figure 4 would look like and draw it. I've given you figure 3. Count the line segments carefully, the outside and the inside, and then predict or skip count or get up to figure 7 to find out how many line segments it would have. Let's jump to page 11, number 4. In this one you can see it's adding one triangle each time. Again, you need to draw figure 4 and 5 and then fill out your table on the right. I'll let you do that one on your own. So let's continue on to number 5. So this one you can see it's got triangle pointing up, pointing down, pointing up. So like this. And then we're adding one more triangle on the end each time. So I'm just going to start counting the segments for you, and you need to finish drawing figure 4, what it would look like, and figure 5, what it would look like. But let's count the line segments first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that's a bit of a mess, but we see that there's 3 triangles and 7 line segments. On this one we see that there's 4 triangles and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the outside, 7, 8, 9 on the inside. Okay, and the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoops, 8. See if my pen will work. No. Anyway, 8, 9, 10, 11 when I get to the last one. So 11 line segments here, and there's 5 triangles. You can start to see some patterns and finish those questions. Page 12, number 6. Again, we're continuing with much the same idea. So here we have figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. And so we can put that into our chart here. And then we can count the number of triangles in figure 1. There happens to be 6. And here 2, 4, 6, 8 in number 2. And 2, 4, and 6 more is 10 in number 3. And we count the squares. So we got 2 squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares there. So 2, 4, and 6 squares in the last figure. So then continue and answer the letters. And finally on that page, it's got a similar question, and this is to be done in your notebook, and it's about ornaments and shapes. So we got the hexagon is in the middle, the trapezoids are the shaded ones here, and the triangles, of course, are the checkered. All right, I hope that helps with your Jump Math grade 5.